What's your name?
My name is Samantha.
Samantha what?
Samantha Agua.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Where do you live?
Mangan, Pasig City.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Teacher and
Teacher and?
nurse and chef.
Okay. Why teacher?
Because the kids learn about A up to Z.
How about nurse?
The kids when come in the nurse.
That's doctor. Nurse helps the doctor. How about chef?
The mommy comes to restaurant and then the chef cooking about the bun.
About the? Ano?
The
Delicious food.
delicious food.
Ano food?
Food.
Okay. What's your dream?
My dream is I am a superhero. Superhero.
Okay.
Talent.
What is your talent?
Dance.
Sige. Show me how to dance.
Show
Show me your face. Sige. How about singing? You know how to sing? Sige na.
I have to sing.
Okay. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink and yellow and green.
And green. What is your favorite channel?
Channel 22.
What's that?
Cartoon Network.
Hindi, that's Playhouse Disney
Playhouse Disney.
What's your favorite show?
Show.
Handymanny.
And Handyman so short and Totally Spies and Master Buster Club. And then what else? His Little Heroes and then Noddy and then Debo. And
Okay.
then Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Okay. Who is your favorite? Cartoon character? Sino yung mga nasa cartoons?
Cartoons. Cat.
Hindi. Who's your favorite?
One lang.
One lang.
Strawberry Shortcake.
Okay.
Tot.
Ano to?
Tally Spice.
Sige. Show me your beautiful smile. Sad face. Mad. Ay. Ano message mo kay mami?
Kay Mami?
Oo.
Ano yun?
Ano yung nilalagay mo sa mga letter mo sa akin?
Heart.
And then,
I love you.
sabi mo, I love you, mami.
I love you, Mommy.
And then, what else?
No more.
No more. Okay.
Death Star. I love you, Mommy. I miss you. May pasalubong ka sana.
Sige. Sige. Show me Your teeth. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Woo! Bye-bye! 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 Bye! 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 Bye!